Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, we traded as high as 22.75 on Friday, but that 22.73, which is, if you recall, that's the old all-time high from back in 2016. The bulls still have not figured out a way to solve that. So we slipped back into the range. We defended, though, price defended the green line, the daily mid-band, the 20-day simple moving average, whatever you want to call it, and we continue to close above the mid-band, now going on for about 15 sessions. So as much trouble as the bears have above 70, 73, the bears, the bulls, let's try that one more time. As much trouble as the bulls have up in 70 to 73, the bears have an equal amount of trouble down at the mid-band, down to 57, 58, and that played out again during last night's Globex session in spades. You can see here, you can see that we opened up here and established resistance at the weekly pivot. The new weekly pivot's about 66.60. You get the daily pivot coming in there. That's your purple dotted line, and there is 67.5, the area that they just can't seem to close out ever. It trades straight down as far as 58. 58's been defended again, and again. A couple of overshoots, but always rejected and back into the range. The range is intact. This trading range is intact. Any move above exhausts. Any move below exhausts. And we come right back into the range. And that's why when you get out onto the daily chart, it looks like that. If you back this out, you've got some compression. There's going to be resolution. Whether it's up or down, doesn't really matter. Certainly doesn't matter to me. All we want is volatility, long or short. Anticipating the resolution can get you into trouble. Don't do that. Control your size, control your risk. This is so compressed now, but it's compressed in a decent daily range. So it's not like the compression of last summer where it was compressed in these 4-handle days, 5-handle days, where you couldn't even really get out of your way. It was like trading in a phone booth. This is much more tradable. The ranges are about 10 to 15 handles, and you can see, you can see the opportunities, and they're tradable, and you can make your, you can make your handles for the day while the daily bands continue to compress. So be patient on the longer term stuff and wait for a resolution. On the shorter term stuff, the range is the range until it's not. And take what the market gives you, control size and risk, and we'll be okay. That's all I've got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter @PrincetonTrader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.